What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, XRP has made a move recently. It looks really, really good in the past 7 days. We've seen things that really started to run. I wanted to go through XRP and also talk about why this may change crypto forever, why this may be a big game changer for the crypto market. Because right now, we're in the middle of these battles. It seems like a just a war zone here in the crypto space where we're battling for just a right to be a cryptocurrency or to trade cryptocurrency on platforms or to stake it on certain places, not to have to change the dynamic or the understanding of what crypto is in certain sectors, right? If you're looking to stake certain positions, I mean, it's not going to be something that's looked at as the same way it would be looked at in another country. You know, the US is not really, um, I wouldn't say playing fair, but they're not really doing the right thing here, right? It seems like they're, in my opinion, in my last video that I talked about, that they're trying to distract us from something bigger, but taking away a lot of these things that we know and love in the process. But XRP has a huge battle ahead of it to where, or Ripple has a huge battle ahead of it in order to see, what will come of this and how it will change the game for good. But XRP has moved quite a bit, and I'm excited because I hold XRP. I wish I bought more, but I wasn't in the market for buying more, not at the moment. I was going to, but not at the moment. So I wanted to talk about it. So let's have a discussion about XRP, certain predictions, because people are asking me predictions today as well. Like, hey, where do you believe XRP is going to get to in the next year, by the end of the year, or by, 2025 or 2026? Which again, just to kind of, tell you this from the start, there are predictions out there that say that XRP is going to get to $100,000 per coin or hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin. And now, we look at these levels of, $4 and $5 and $10, and we're like, I believe it's going to go way higher than that because of those predictions. Now, we know we can expect big things from XRP. From a form of a use case, we can expect huge things from um, you know every investor that's involved with it, and people that are a part of this community, which is a large community, a really, really large community, and a position that has already been to $100 billion market cap, or close to $100 billion market cap. So again, I want to see this thing succeed, obviously because I'm holding it, but also because I do believe in what the eventual use case can be, and the fact that it has a bigger battle than just within the investors, or just within a select group of people. It's like an SEC battle. It's like we're Sparta, and we're trying to win this battle. Like we have 300, trying to quote movies and stuff. We have 300 and we're trying to win this battle. So let's get it done. And XRP is leading the way. He's Leonidas. Uh, but let's go. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description for other exchanges. If you want to buy XRP, you can buy it on KuCoin, which I do have a link for down in the description. You can sign up using my referral link, and I think I get a kickback, and so do you as well. So it's definitely a good situation. I like KuCoin, so check it out if you want to. But anyways, let's go into here, and then we'll look at XRP, because there's an article here talking about how this could end positively for Ripple. So let's go through that right there. So this is a Coin Market Cap article. Ripple versus SEC going to end positively for Ripple. XRP token surged over 15% in the last 24 hours after its issuer reports investors hope increased after Ripple well placed in the winning position of landmark case with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Tuesday. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple in 2020, alleging the firm sold unregistered securities. Ripple opposes the SEC allegation, maintaining that XRP should be considered a digital currency rather than a security. The case will conclude this year. So Ripple defenders submitted the new filing to support their fair notice defense earlier this week. The filing has references to the ruling SEC's objection in the Voyage digital holding bankruptcy case. It also I thought that was Voyager. It also noted that in rejecting the SEC's complaints, Michael Wiles, judge of the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York, endorsed Ripple defenders' arguments. According to the notice from Ripple, SEC rejected that argument. VGX was akin to security and calling Binance unregistered securities. However, the judge rejected the SEC's objections. Monica Long, president of Ripple, stated that she was very hopeful about achieving a positive resolution in the SEC battle, and she thinks it will conclude this year. Some market observers said that traders are likely to react to the rumors that the case is already settled on paper. However, any progress in the case of Ripple versus SEC results in XRP's price movement. According to CoinMarketCap, the trading price of XRP is at 44 cents, which increased over 25% in the last 7 days. Now, that's huge, right? To see anything that comes out as positive creates that positive outlook for the investors, being us, right? Anybody that's investing into it, we're excited about the fact that this could end positively and could change the entire crypto market. Because if you somehow win, and I mean, settling, I don't really consider winning in any way, or winning 100%. But if you still have the ability to function as normal, then technically you won, right? If you look at something like Kraken and how, yes, you feel like you settled for $30 million, but you still shut down your program, your earn program. That's not winning, right? That's taking away that program that they wanted to take away and also getting $30 million in the process. But for XRP, if you could find a way, or for Ripple, and to find a way that, everything can function as normal. And even if you do end up settling, because that's usually what it ends up being, is settling in a certain level so that this doesn't continue. That's always the issue, is that it costs so much money to continue these battles, continue these war zones here, that you kind of just want it to settle, and you end up settling so that they don't just continue to push this out years, and then we never know where this is actually going to stand. This is good news for XRP. Obviously, because you're seeing XRP's price up another 2.4%, up to 44 cents, like they said, up to a high of 45 cents, 45.4 cents. It's at a $22.7 billion market cap. Volume today, we saw this down a little bit, down 36%, seeing it at $2.7 billion in volume. If you look at historical data, you've seen this, yesterday, $3.3 billion, $4 billion. You're seeing multiple billions of dollars in the last couple of days that flow in and out of XRP, mostly in because things are positive here. So my XRP with this move went from a total of $600 worth, is now worth about $800. So I'm happy with what I have. I would love to have more. I would have loved to invest more at like 30 something cents, but I still am invested in XRP, and my overall plan is to hold at least 100 XRP for life, for a very, very long time. If it gets to $100,000 per coin, or hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin, yes, I will find a way to sell at least 10, if not more than that, just to capture $1 million from that play as well. But I will have some that I take profit as time goes on, to where I'm holding multiple thousands of dollars, but then have the rest for a long-term gain that's there. So anyways, guys, that's my video. Let me know what you think about XRP. I'm, excited. I feel like I'm excited about a lot of plays that I talk about, because they're mostly plays that I'm invested in. But I'm definitely I'm wanting to see what's going to happen with this, and I want it to conclude positively for XRP in the end. And if that does, that's also positive for the entire crypto market. And now you know where we stand when it comes to unregistered securities. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to buy XRP right now, you can buy it over on KuCoin. Link is down in the description where you can get it. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.